Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lainey and today's video is going to be a meal plan with me for the week. I'm behind, it's Monday already, and I don't know what we're having for dinner tonight. So I just sat down, I have my little meal planning book. It's the start of the new year, so like what everyone says, like new year, new me. I want to try to eat healthier this year. I'm also, if you don't know and you haven't seen me before, I am 8 months pregnant, so I need to eat healthy for me and for the baby, and I don't want to gain a ton of weight during this pregnancy. I'm already out of breath from talking because I am 8 months pregnant, like I just said. But I thought a fun video would be for today would be to sit down and just plan with you guys for our food for the week. I already know on Wednesday it's my fiance Eric's birthday, so we're gonna go out to eat on Wednesday, so I don't have to worry about Wednesday. And I think Thursday we're gonna go to my grandparents because they want to have a dinner for Eric's birthday as well. If you hear birds in the background, I'm really sorry. I have a very clingy kitten, so I put birds on the TV so she wouldn't bother me during this. So she's sitting right there watching. But so those are the 2 days I know I don't have to plan for, so I really only have to worry about the other 5 days. And I like to use Skinny Taste recipes because I'm super picky. Her recipes are really good, and for the most part they're like pretty good for you. We're not on any special diet or anything. We're not like gluten-free, or Eric is lactose intolerant, but he doesn't really follow that, or you know, whatever. So I'm just gonna go through the recipes on Skinny Taste and write them down, and then on the back of, here comes Poppy. Hi. You're in the way of the camera. Can you say hi? Say hi. Say subscribe to my mommy's channel. She's like, oh, my birds. Okay, go watch your birds. Anyways, she's gonna sit right here now. She loves writing utensils, so she wants my pen. Hi. Okay, so I'm just gonna go through and decide what we want for the week. Tuesday, I work until 7 at the library, so that's usually Eric's day to cook. I'll figure out what we're gonna have, but I just won't be cooking it. And then on the back, I think that's what I was saying before Poppy so rudely interrupted. On the back, poppy seed. I'm sorry, guys. On the back of, so like right here, it just has the days, and then on the back it has like sections, so I can bring this with me to the grocery store when we go later, and I'll know like protein, like it's divided by the sections of where in the grocery store it is. So sometimes I write my grocery list on my phone. Most of the time I do, actually, but I want to try to do this because I feel like I'm always forgetting something. But anyways, the one thing Eric and I don't really like is fish. We don't eat any fish. And Eric doesn't really like beef. So, did you scratch my face when I picked you up? Anyways, Poppy's gonna keep bothering me. So, I'm just on the Skinny Taste website now. I'm gonna turn you, so you're gonna get to see the birds. So this is her website. I love her recipes. They're so good. Poppy seed. And I'm just gonna go through. We really like chicken recipes, so that's probably what I'm gonna... Really, girl? Chicken recipes are probably what... Oh, shiitake. I'm sorry, baby. Oh my god. Anyways, chicken recipes are what I'm gonna go for the week. So I'm gonna figure out what we're gonna have, and then I will write it down. And then after I write it down, we're gonna go through the kitchen and see what we do need to buy. Also, another thing I forgot to mention is I'm going to create a Google Doc with me and Eric on it, and I'll just title it like recipes for the week. And I cannot breathe. This is not And I'll just put like Monday and either like the page of the cookbook, because we have the Skinny Taste cookbooks too. I'll either put the page of the recipe or the link to the recipe. So Tuesday, I don't know what we're gonna have. We're gonna have a super easy meal tonight since we have to go grocery shopping. But tomorrow I already decided we are having the chicken parm rolls from Skinny Taste. So I'll copy and paste that recipe into a Google Doc. So when Eric gets home tomorrow, he'll be able to easily make that. And then Wednesday, I don't have to worry about because we're going out to dinner. Okay. Did you guys look at this cat? Poppy, see. Are you such a good girl? Helping mommy? I'm obsessed with her. She hears something outside, so she's like, what's that? What is that? I love her. Look how good she's being now, watching her birdie friends, laying with her little puppy right there. She loves this chair so much. Okay, so I've got I'm sorry, Poppy, like I said, clingy kitten. So I've got all of our meals planned out for the week and our list written down. Saturday, we're having sandwiches, so we're having a Skinny Taste recipe and it has sandwiches, but I won't get bread until Saturday because I'm pregnant, so I can have sandwiches, but they don't recommend you have cold cuts, and Eric doesn't really eat sandwiches all that often. He usually just has like leftovers for lunch, and that's what I usually bring for lunch as well. I can't wait to not be pregnant so I can have some nice turkey and cheese sandwiches again. I've heard like mixed things, like some people say it's fine, some people say it's not. I'm just not gonna have cold cuts while I'm pregnant. So anyways, long story short, I won't get bread until Saturday because we won't eat it and it'll go moldy. So that, and we're having roast beef sandwiches, so I won't get the roast beef until Saturday either. But other than that, I made a list of everything that we need for the recipes, and I'm gonna go into my kitchen with my list and make sure we have, like, cross off what we have and leave what we don't have, if that makes any sense. So I'm gonna do that right now. I don't know if any of you are wondering, but this is what my planner looks like right now. I just have it dated and then with the recipe and where to find it for when we go to make it. I don't really use this right here. I don't know why, I just don't. And then on the other side is the grocery list. It's really not that much on it. We just need like a lot of chicken. So I don't know what chicken wants. And then there's some other things on here that like I know that we needed that I had already added. And like some things like wontons, we love having the frozen wontons that are easy for lunch on the weekends, and we just ran out. So that's something else we need to get. And I don't know if I mentioned, but I got this at Michael's, but I got it a while ago, so I don't know if they still, I'm sure they still make stuff like this. I've had this for a really long time and I've never really used it, and I'm trying to use it now because in the beginning of it, it has like spaces for recipes. But I'm sorry, I can't breathe. I know I keep apologizing. I just feel like it's annoying that I can't breathe. It's annoying to me anyways. But anyways, I don't really use that, and Poppy's in her litter box digging, so I'm gonna go because nobody wants to hear that. Okay, so Eric just got home from work. And we're about to go to the gym. We just changed and we're getting ready to go. And from the gym we're gonna go to Hannaford because it's right next door. So I just want to go through what I added to our list and make sure we don't have the things I added to it.
Or forget things. Or
forget anything we want to buy.
Yeah.
So I know we need chicken and I know we need ground turkey. I know we don't have a jar sauce. Do we have a 28 crushed can of tomatoes?
Take a gander. Take a look in the pantry. We do have a 20, you said 28?
Yeah.
28 ounce crushed.
Crushed, okay. You said you needed honey.
Yep.
Do we have Frank's hot sauce?
I believe we do. How much do you need?
More than that.
Well, we have other hot sauce.
Yeah, but it's for the buffalo chicken rolls.
Yeah. This is just standard hot sauce. Same thing.
Okay, but that's like from 2 years ago. I don't think they're good anymore.
This hasn't even been open.
Okay, so we're gonna get Frank's hot sauce. We need more of our Belvitas. I need milk. We need the non-fat Greek yogurt. Yeah. Oh.
Buffalo and barbecue sauce.
Okay, that's fine. So we don't need the Frank's hot sauce then. We need the cream cheese. We need grated cheese, right? We don't have any more.
We're almost out, but use some more.
Parm. We need shredded carrots. We need scallions. We need fresh parsley. Do we have baking powder? Or
just baking soda. I think we have baking powder in here. Yes, how much do you need? We have 2 things.
Okay, so that's fine. And everything else I know we don't have. So
Your milk.
yeah.
We need Metamucil for the digestive health.
Oh god. Okay.
Some nanners.
Oh no, because you don't eat them.
Well, they went bad too quick.
Because you don't eat them.
I'm gonna eat them every single day.
What is she doing?
She is playing.
I don't think you guys can see what she's doing.
It's like a laser maze over there. Let's see. I'll turn the light on.
This is Eric's laundry.
It's dropping.
I know. Oh, she has her snowman.
Yeah.
What are you doing, Quizzy? For some reason, she insists on having the laundry room door open. Anyways, so we need Metamucil and we need... No, we don't need bananas.
I only have 3. I eat 1 a day. It was perfectly ripe when I had it today. We'll get 3 really green ones, or however many really green ones.
What else do we need? Did you just say?
That's it. I said bananas.
Oh, do you need frozen fruit? I think you do.
Yeah, I only have like 1 fruit.
Okay.
Oh, this is what I'm gonna have tonight. I don't want just have this in here for like 2 months. Never.
Okay, well I guess I'm not gonna have my air fryer chicken nuggets.
No.
No, you can have that. That's fine.
We can have something different.
All right, we're gonna go to Hannaford now.
After the gym.
After the gym, and then
you just stuck that pen in my ear. The ears are the groin of the head.
And then when we get, ew.
Just kidding.
I'll show you what we bought when we get back.
It's the eyes.
Okay, bye. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you what we got from the grocery store real quick. I'll take it out and then I'll hand it to Eric.
First.
Yes. So Eric got spring mix fresh greens. 2 of those. We got fresh parsley. Eric got his bananas.
Let's put the fresh greens this way.
Okay. We got ground turkey breast that can go in the freezer. We got sweet Italian chicken sausage with kale. We got this big thing of chicken that can go in the fridge for now. Eric got chicken breast meat in a can. I think that does that go in the fridge or pantry?
It doesn't have to.
We got spreadable light cream cheese. And that is our first bag.
That's it?
For the first bag. I know that's for my lunch tomorrow. We got Simply Picked antioxidant frozen fruit blend. These are so good. Guys, screenshot this and get them. This is the chicken and vegetable Korean style mini wontons. So, so, so good. I got 1% milk.
The worst thing about frozen stuff is that the bags are so inflated because they want you to like think there's more, I think.
Yeah. We got non-fat Greek yogurt. We just got the Hannaford brand. I got Hannaford brand ice cream sandwiches.
This freezer's in serious need of mobilization.
We got hash browns. We have a whole, I told you we didn't need hash browns.
I could have swore I just finished them.
We got shoestring french fries, which I'm gonna have right now. Dinosaur chicken nuggets, which I swear are better than regular shaped chicken nuggets. I wanted popcorn chicken, but they didn't have any.
Is that it? Oh.
One more bag.
That's heavy.
And then our last bag, we got carrots, scallions,
Or green onions.
French fried onions.
Like
Ooh, I should make
yes, you should.
soup. Not soup, fried rice.
Yeah.
But make it with cauliflowered rice. I wonder if that would be good.
Oh, we forgot cauliflower rice.
Oh, well, it wasn't on the menu for this week anyways.
This is not the chef's specialty.
Honey, which you keep in here, right?
I do.
I don't use any of this stuff, so I don't know where it goes. Blueberries and cranberries dried.
For my salads, I will do a salad video soon.
Just Parmesan cheese and a jar of sauce. This is my favorite sauce. Yeah. It's the Bertrolli olive oil and garlic. I always like having one on hand. We got egg roll wraps. We like having these for breakfast, the Belvita ones. Breakfast bars. I like chocolate. Eric likes blueberry, and we both like golden oat. I think I like the golden oat more than he does, though.
Yeah, they're not bad.
And the last thing we got was Metamucil for Eric's digestive tract.
Oh my. You
You said it before.
Good for you, dude.
I don't know where you keep it. There's not room up there.
I'll make room.
Okay. So that is everything for our grocery haul. We are gonna have dinner, and then The Bachelor's on tonight, and it's already 7:45. So
Matt James gonna have to wait.
yeah. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like I said before, we don't have any like special diet or anything. So Poppy seed.
Poppy really likes just the idea of recycling, so she likes to contribute whenever possible. Poppy.
What are you doing, Poppy seed? Hey.
Baby girl. Hey.
Anyways, we are obsessed with our cat. She's in every video. But that's all. If you guys haven't already, make sure to subscribe down below. Hit the like button. I always say this, but we are having a baby probably next month. So if you want to come along that journey with us, make sure you subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye guys. You wanna say bye?
Deuces.
Say bye.
Bye.
Subscribe to my mommy. Oh my god.